Hey, welcome back to this video series on the C64 OS Toolkit. In this video I wanted to talk about this TKText view, which is kind of new. It's not for editing, but it is for viewing text files. It'll do PETSCII or ASCII. It has auto conversion from ASCII. You can scroll the content using the scroll bar, as I am here. And in addition to simply interacting with the scroll bar, it has good keyboard support. So when we click on the view to make it the first keyboard responder, we can use the keyboard keys, the cursor keys, to scroll up and down the content. And you notice also that when you start to use the keyboard, the mouse pointer is blanked so that it doesn't interfere with the text. We can page using the plus and minus keys, or with space and the B key to go back up. And the text is also soft wrapped. So let's, as I resize this view, look at this. You can see that the text is rewrapping in real time as I'm dragging this bar. So as I make it much narrower here, and you can see that it's rewrapping, it's also made this proportional scroll bar quite a bit smaller, because there are now far more pages. So that's pretty cool. And in addition to soft wrapping, we can also use this checkbox here to switch it into an unwrapped mode. So when we unwrap, that enables this horizontal scroll bar. Content is now horizontally scrollable out to wherever the ends of the lines are. And because these scroll bars and the whole toolkit in C64 OS supports 16-bit dimensions, this scroll bar will allow you to scroll horizontally up to 65,536 characters, which is actually more content than can fit in all of the C64's memory. So yeah, that's the TKText view in C64 OS.